LG Display has made a 65-inch rollable OLED TV. A couple of years ago, LG Display showed off an intensely futuristic 18-inch OLED display that could be bent and rolled up just like a newspaper. Today, that prototype has grown to 65 inches in size, with the company announcing that it's managed to scale up the tech to the dimensions of a large TV. At CES 2018, LG Display will be demonstrating the new 65-inch rollable OLED prototype, which also happens to have UHD, aka 4K, resolution. Why would you want to roll up a TV? Well, it obviously makes for easier storage and transportation, but more than anything else, it still remains a distinctly sci-fi concept. Being flexible enough to roll, that display panel becomes more organic and natural. The format lends it the properties of a painting canvas or a very big sheet of paper. There's not a wealth of further information beyond the basic fact of its existence, but the 65-inch prototype from the future will be here at CES and we'll be making an effort to go see it for ourselves very soon. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with new uploads. If you like this video, please hit the blue like button. What's your opinion on this video? Comment below.